how to arrange your vegetables and herbs containers so they can get enough sun and grow beautifully. My name is Florence Straka. Welcome to Gardeningvava. This channel is all about grow, cook, share with love. And so I am walking you through my thought process after I planted all the vegetables and how I arrange them nicely. That way, it will be easy for me to access them, easy for me to do everything. So, here is where the thought process starts. And you will see I'll be going up and down, trying to see where I can put what and with what that will go together and start from there. And certain vegetables will have to be in a certain column or a certain section. That way, when I'm either giving them water or either giving them food plants or plant food, it will be easy for me to do. So then I know I have this at this section, I have this at this section, and it makes life a little easy. So this is where you see me just rearranging all my containers. When I started planting, I don't think of where to put what, I just plant all the things that I wanted to plant. And then from there, after that, a day or two, then I'll just go back, take a look at them, and then start arranging them. And so that is what you are seeing here, where I make sure that I have everything rearranged nicely, have them sit under the sun, because this is my deck or the back of my deck, where I have all my containers. I do have quite a big deck, so I have a more space. But also the good thing, or what the best thing you have to look for, is how to rearrange them so they are always getting enough sun, and that way you will have a bountiful harvest. Some plants need more sun than others, but all the plants that I've grown, all the plants, all the vegetables, all herbs that I have grown, well, they all need sun. And so I make sure that I get them, they sit really well under the sun all the time. Some need like 6 hours of sun a day. So at least you have to let them get that. So that's what you are seeing here, trying to organize it all nicely in a way where it will be easy to walk through, it will be easy to give water, it will be easy to get food plants for them. It can be, for me, it's just me. Not everybody worry about this, but for me, it's just for all the years that I have been gardening. And this is what I do, making sure that all my tomatoes will be at one section, all my peppers will be at one section, all my herbs will be at one section, and that's how I do them. So you will see that it's easy for me myself. And even if I want to make a video about my garden, or if I just even want to harvest, it's easy for me to just go around and harvest whatever I harvest, because I know I have my tomatoes here, I have my onions here, I have my peppers, I have my herbs, all that together. And most importantly, I can also walk through my plants. That is the easiest way, because as the plant grows, they get more space. So I need to give them more space in between. And so when I'm water harvesting or whatever I'm doing, I can go walk through them easily. And also, the plants need a breathing space. So you need to give them some space so they can breathe on their own. So they are not touching each other too much. And so this is what it is. This is what I do. I think this is just like after 2 days of planting all this is when I rearrange them before I get to the first week of planting them in a container. So this is it. If you are just a beginner, and you are wondering what to do, how do I start my container vegetables and herbs gardening? Well, Gardeningvava is here for you. This is what I do, and I try to make video of everything. And so you can see from the beginning, and as time goes on, I'll try to get a checklist where you can start your own without worrying. Gardeningvava.com is coming up soon as well, where you can have all the resources that you need. And as you can see, it's taking shape, it's taking form as I arrange them, and then I can normally walk through them. So my question for you is, what are you planting? Have you started? The season is almost over. I guess almost too late. If you haven't started anything this year, you can start next year. So as you can see, I'm just going through now, making sure that I have space to go through my container gardens. I can walk through them, and the containers have space for themselves as well to breathe. And at the same time, the plants also need breathing space. So that's it. Subscribe to Gardeningvava, and I'll see you on the next video. And where are you watching from? Also, what are you planting this year?